In this next film I'm going to show you how to create windows and doors for the cutouts that you've created. So to do that, it's really straightforward and simple. We can get our window. I can go edit, copy, edit, paste, and this here is then going to form my window. So I can go to my rectangle tool and zoom in just to make it a little bit easier for me, and I'm going to go one square in and I'm going to create a window design. So you can give it as much detail as you want or as little detail as you want. It's entirely up to you. So that's my window, and you can see that it fits into this space. Obviously I'm going to need two of these because I've got one on the other side. So I'm just going to go edit, copy, and edit, paste. Now there are other ways to copy and paste, but I very much recommend that that's the way that you do it. There are a number of reasons why. It's basically simpler for beginners. So I've got another window here, and I'm going to copy that, edit, copy, edit, paste, place that up here. Yeah, let's put it let's put it here, try and keep everything together. So I'm going to go use my rectangle tool, going to create a window like so, and then I'm going to copy and paste that, because again I've got two of those. Edit, copy, edit, paste. So next thing I need to do is think about the actual door itself, and it's the same process. And I'm going to place my door here, and this time I'm going to do, if I press escape, that allows me to start the shape again. So I'm going to do it with a single pane at the top. So it's going to look something like that. Okay, so I've now created my windows and doors. At this stage you need to decide whether you want to move on to the next stage, and that's it, you're pretty much finished. Alternatively, if you have other details that you would like to create and have cut out on the laser cutter, now is your time to get those things done. Now you do have a limited amount of space. This here is equivalent to an A3 sheet of paper, and this is the maximum amount of space that you've got. So you've areas here, here, and here that you're free to use, and there's all manner of things that you could create, but I'm pretty much going to leave that to your imagination to decide what you're going to do with that opportunity. Certainly those of you that are seeking to get high levels, pushing into the sort of 7s and the 8s, maybe high 6s, I'd recommend you try and take advantage of that opportunity to come up with something interesting. So once you've completed your design, your layout, what you're then going to do is save your work. So I'm going to go File, Save As, and I'm going to call it my name. So you call it Sean or Tom or whatever your name is. Just make sure that that name, that file name, has got your name in it. Press save, and then the next thing that you need to do is you need to export it. So you're going to go File, Export, and you are going to save it as a DXF file. Now this is not the default file name, so you do need to select that bottom option. Again, make sure that the file name has got your individual name in it, and then you need to save it in the appropriate location. Now your teacher will explain to you where that location is, but there is a folder which is called Laser Cut Drop, which is on the S drive, and you need to save it in the Year 9 folder, in the subfolder that's called Beach Hut Project. Now there are 7 graphics classes. Make sure that you save it in the correct class. Okay, and that pretty much finishes this stage.